Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can enable this internet speed meter in your taskbar. So let's get started. Simply go to your browser and search for Traffic Monitor GitHub. Now go to this specific web page. Click here. Now from these files you need to download either the 64-bit or 32-bit file. To check your system type, simply search for MS Info and go to System Information. In system type you can see whether your PC is 64-bit or 32-bit, so you can download the file accordingly as per your system type. After the download completes, simply extract it using 7-zip or WinRAR. Run this file as administrator, and this will display the main window of internet speed meter. You can simply drag and drop it anywhere. Now go to taskbar and click on this icon. You can opt here to show taskbar window, and this will give this view. Now if you want to hide the main window, simply uncheck it from here and it will vanish. Now simply go to the options. Now go to the general settings tab and check mark this option and save the change. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.